Elon Musk is a well-known billionaire who is renowned for his extraordinarily lofty ambitions and game-changing ideas. The same is true of his business, Tesla. Elon Musk's Tesla is a tremendously successful business that he is also extremely proud of. The fantasy electric vehicle firm of Elon Musk is now accepted on a worldwide scale. It is difficult to ignore or minimize Tesla's significance beyond merely testing out alternative fuel vehicles. Consider how they had the whole automotive industry buzzing about electric vehicles. You'll be relieved to learn that they're only getting begun. Elon Musk claims that Tesla intends to produce 20 million vehicles annually by 2030. Tesla will undoubtedly become the biggest automaker in the world thanks to this scale expansion. Nevertheless, the EV manufacturer must first shorten the production process if it hopes to overtake Ford as the largest automaker in the world. The usage of Gigapresses is another innovation that aids Tesla in differentiating its production process. Recently, some fantastic Tesla-related information was disclosed by Tesla employees. Gigapress, and believe me, that will completely alter the automotive industry. Eager to find out more? Like the video and pay attention at the end for a final welcome to SpaceX Live. As we all know, Tesla performs much better than rivals since it makes considerable investments in the creation of production-oriented technology. They never compromise on quality, and they are now expanding the company's production capacity significantly. The EV manufacturer recently reported having shipped 241,000 vehicles in 3 months, setting a record quarter by delivering 56,000 automobiles in the month of September alone. Tesla also announced a new monthly production record in China. As previously mentioned, Elon Musk intends for Tesla to create 20 million vehicles annually by 2030. Of course, this is not going to be simple, and Tesla intends to increase its annual vehicle production by an average of 50% for the foreseeable future. Tesla would become by far the largest automaker if it were to succeed in achieving its long-term objective in the universe. The question is, though, how? And if I had to sum up my response in a single word, it would be Gigapress. Let me say something before you go looking up this word on Wikipedia. According to a recent revelation from Tesla insiders, the model manufacturer has already started construction on a giant 12,000-ton Gigapress. Also, according to the sources, Tesla will assemble a vehicle's whole chassis using the brand new Gigapress. What is a Gigapress? How do they operate? And why do they exist? Are they really that important in helping Tesla produce 20 million vehicles by 2030? Let's investigate that. The auto industry is catching on to Tesla's use of enormous casting machines known as Gigapress to create car body work from just a few huge cast components. A Gigapress is a gigantic casting device that can produce massive pieces of a car's chassis as a single unit from molten aluminum. This enables EV manufacturers to reduce the number of separate parts that go into a car, which ultimately results in less welding, quicker production, more compact factories, lower costs, and improved rigidity and handling to cast the one-piece front end and the one-piece rear end of the automobile. Tesla currently employs 2 different models of 6,000-ton Gigapresses. Currently, only the Model Y is produced using this production method, and initially, only the front section will be cast at Giga Berlin and Giga Texas, while the rear part is already being cast at Giga Shanghai and Fremont Giga Texas. Gigapress testing has already begun so that the front-end casting is completely prepared when production begins. Tesla has reduced the number of pieces in the Model Y's rear from 70 to 10 by using a Gigapress. This has undoubtedly aided Tesla in fast ramping up their model. Why do you produce? The EV manufacturer, however, is not satisfied with only using a Gigapress in the Model Y's back. On the Q4 2020 earnings call, the company's CEO Elon Musk revealed that Tesla aims to deploy a similar Gigapress with a clamping force of 8,000 tons for the rear part casting of another Tesla vehicle, the coveted Cybertruck, or the Model Y. The rear portion of the Cybertruck will be produced using a clamping force of 8,000 tons. Alex informed me that this equipment is already in the production phase. Currently, Idris China KL is constructing a machine with a clamping power of 12,000 tons. According to Alex's source, this machine is intended to cast the complete body frame in one piece during the fabrication of the body. Can be simpler and faster. The production in this machine, according to the information from the source, can save the time required for car production by 25%. Moreover, a 10% decrease in downtime is anticipated. The updated Model Y, which will start production this quarter in Giga Berlin and Giga, Texas, will be the most technologically advanced car in the world, according to Elon Musk, and will cost only 2/3 as much to build. But there is now more than this. In the long run, Elon Musk and his $1 billion have never been the kind of people who can accept less. Tesla intends to go above and beyond by casting a full car in a single piece instead of employing a Gigapress in 2/3 of the vehicle. Musk has frequently made references to this objective, and Tesla has also submitted a patent that depicts a sizable device that is capable of carrying it out. We haven't come across any stories that Tesla is planning to produce such a vehicle anytime soon, though, so far at least. Our internal Tesla, according to independent confirmation from Alex and Sawyer Merritt sources, Tesla is constructing a massive 12,000-ton Gigapress that can produce a complete vehicle's chassis in a single piece. I know, amazing, huh? If accurate, this would imply that Tesla has come a long way toward realizing its vision of becoming the best automaker in the world. In addition, if Tesla has truly started construction on a 12,000-ton Gigapress, it won't be long until we see Tesla construct a whole vehicle's chassis in a single piece. However, it's unclear which vehicle Tesla will utilize to power the 1,000-ton Gigapress in the beginning. Theories range from the planned $25,000 compact car to the Tesla truck, but things are seldom as simple as they look. A car body can be made from a lot fewer pieces, which drastically reduces both the complexity of the body line and the cost of building a production line. Also, it gives the vehicle itself a weight advantage, which may boost performance. It's not entirely advantageous though. The price has drawn criticism from some in the sector, linked to possible repairs in the event of an accident. This has raised concerns about whether Tesla is paving the way for a new method of automobile manufacturing in the future, or if it was a fruitless endeavor. Although there are concerns and suspicions, I suppose this is not the first time that Elon Musk and Tesla have faced criticism, but it appears that several other automakers, particularly in China, are unwilling to give it a try. A story about Louis Yongsong, the engineer behind Delk Technique and a collaborator in Tesla's casting, appeared in the New York Times. Technology. According to Liu, he is collaborating with 6 Chinese manufacturers to implement comparable casting technique as early as next year. Tesla has long made material science investments in order to create its own alloys to sustain such massive casting components. Even more, the automaker collaborated with SpaceX to create such alloys by pooling their material science expertise. All we can do is wait and watch where it lands. It genuinely thrills my imagination to think that Tesla will soon be able to construct a whole vehicle from a single piece of metal. Builds with anticipation just considering the possibilities. What do you think, then? Which Tesla vehicle do you think will be the first to use the new 12,000-ton Gigapress Tesla is constructing? Comment below with your ideas. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell symbol to never miss an update on such compelling content. This concluded the day. I'll see you in the next video soon. Till then, goodwill.